Good morning everyone, welcome to Be Inspired. By using this channel I am creating some educational videos based on the subject Maths, and today we are going to solve some problems on NCERT class 6 Maths textbook, and still we are solving chapter 1 knowing numbers. So please share, like, subscribe my channel. So without getting late, let's get started the class. So in the previous class we learned how to do brackets and we just try to write our own situations. Now in the same way, today we are going to learn one new topic, that is expanding brackets. Now observe how use of brackets allow us to follow our procedure systematically. Yes or no? By using the brackets only we can follow the procedure in a correct way, then only we will get the answers. This clearly tells us first turn everything side. First we have to complete each and everything inside the brackets into a single number, and then we will do the operation which is outside. So the same thing, that's what they are saying. Systematically is nothing but that. And do you think that it will be easy to keep a track of what steps we have to follow without using brackets? If brackets are not there, what steps we have to follow? And what we done here is we just took this number and we are going to follow expanding form, and with the help of expanding form we are going to solve this, and with the we will use brackets for that to solve the answer. So without getting late, let's get started the class. Now what I am doing, 7 into 109 in expanding form, I am just writing 7 into 100 plus 9. Now I will multiply this 7 into 100 first plus 7 into 9. So this one can be written as 700 plus 7 9s are 63. After adding you will get 763. Okay. Now we will solve this. So here we will go for two brackets, 100 to 102 and to 103. We will write as like this. 100, first we will go with 100 with this into 100 plus 100 into 3. Now with 2 table. So what is the symbol here? Plus 2 into 100 plus 2 into 3. 100 multiplied by 100 is 10,000 plus 100 3s are 300, 100 2s are 200, 2 3s are 6. So 10,000. 300 plus 200 is 500 plus 6. So the answer was 10,506. See, instead of doing that much big multiplication, just with the help of expanding form we just completed this. Now we will solve the third one. (17) into 109. So I am not expanding 17, I am just expanding 109. 100 plus 9, 17 into 100 plus 17 into 9. 17 into 100 is 1700 plus 17 9s are 153. After adding you will get 1853. So let's see what the textbook person they given to us. Okay, here they done expanding form of that both, so but we got the same answer. Okay, I just said that we can follow even that procedure also. Now we will go with some more questions. (25) into 108. So we will expand 25 as 20 plus 5 into 108 as 100 plus 8. So first 20 multiplied with this. 20 into 100 plus 20 into 8 plus, and what is the number now? 5. With 5 with this. 5 into 100 plus 5 into 8. 20 into 100 is 2000. 28s are 160. 5 into 100 is 500. 5 into 8 is 40. Now 2000 plus 160. So these two are 100. So we'll add this first. 2000 plus 160 plus 500 is 660 plus 40. Now we will add 660 plus 40. The answer will be 700. So 2000 plus 700 is 2700. In this way we can solve the answer. Now move on to the next question. 36 into 700. So okay, we will go for 7002. 30 plus 6 into 7000 plus 2. Now 30 with 7000 plus 30 with 2. Now in the same way with second digit 6. 6 into 7000 plus 6 into 2. So first we will multiply 3 sevens are 21. And how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just simply write those many zeros. 32s are 60. 6 into 7000 is 4200 and 6 2s are 12. Now first we will add ones. Here 60 plus 12. This is 2,10,000 plus 4,200 plus 60 plus 12 is 72. Now we will add 4,200 plus 72. 4,272. And now we can add this easily. 2,14,272. Is it clear to you? Now we will solve the last question. 110 multiplied by 235. So 110 can be written as 100 plus 10 multiplied by 235 can be written as 200 plus 30 plus 5. And this 10 also can be written as 10 plus 0. Okay. So first we will multiply with 100 into 200 plus 100 into 30 plus 100 into 5. And now with 10. 10 into 200 plus 10 into 30 plus 10 into 5. And now with the last digit 0 into 200 plus 0 into 30 plus 0 into 5. Actually no need to write with 0 because we all know that if any number multiplied by 0 we will get the answer is 0. I just written 20,000. 100 into 200 is 20,000 plus 100 into 30 is 3,000 plus 100 into 5 is 500 plus 100 into 200 is 2,000 plus 100 into 10 into this is 200. 10 into 30 this is 2,000. 100 in 10 into 200 no, and 10 into 30 is 300 plus 10 5s are 50. And as we all know that 0 0 0 because any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Now first we will go with 3,000, 2,000. 20,000. 3,000 plus 2,000 is 5,000. And now we will add hundreds. 500 plus 500 plus 300 plus 50. So what is the answer after addition? 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 500 plus 300 is 800 plus 50. Now you just add all these numbers, you will get very easily. 20,000 plus 5,850. Now you add this two, the answer will be 25,850. So this is our answer if you multiply 110 with 235. I hope you all understand the class. Expanding form of brackets. If brackets are given, just we will solve each and everything in a simple manner. Stay home, stay healthy. Thank you for watching.